Hey guys, let's talk about the Amcrest camera reset. So if you have a camera like this and you want to reset, just go here and move the lens up. You're gonna find a button here, okay? It's a reset button. You just need to press and hold until you see the status here changing. Okay, so just observe this, and then after the reset, you just put the camera on the desk because the camera is going to boot up and turn horizontally and vertically to do the tests with the pan and tilt movement, okay? So let me just reset camera here so you can see it. I can just press and hold the button. There we go, and just observe the LED. You see an LED flashing there, still flashing green. Wait for a while. I hear a beep. Okay, so I let it go. So there's some indication. You hear a beep or you see the LED flashing there, stops flashing. Now just put it here and wait, because you need to wait for this part. That's the test that the camera is going to do. Here you see that the LED now is red, so the camera is booting up. Just wait a little bit more. You really need to make sure that the camera does the test and also is in the status of like a setup, okay, the setup mode. Let's just wait a little bit more. There we go. Now the camera is doing the pan movement, testing itself. And now while it starts the tilt movement, pan movement again, and it's done. Now you're ready to set up your camera, okay? So super simple. So that's the way you can reset an Amcrest camera. Just press the button until you hear an indication, a beep or something, and let it go. Wait for the camera to boot up, do the tests, and you're good to go. So I hope you like this video. Just leave your thumbs up here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.